Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, the link is in the description below, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you would like to solve along with me. I do make a small commission for many purchases, so it looks like today we're doing puzzle 75. Let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing a 1, a 3, and a 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, 3, 7, so our 1 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 4, 5, up, and a 4 and a 5 there. So this is our 2, which makes this our 5 and our 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8, and 8 there, so 3, 7, and a 7 here, so 3, 8. For this column, 1, 2, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. Got a 3 there, so 5, 7, 7 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got 1, 2, and 9 in that row, so this is our 4. And again, that 9, so 1 or 2. This row's got the 1, so 2, 9, and no help here, so 1, 2, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 there, so this is our 2, this is our 7. That 2 makes this our 9, so then this is our 1 and our 2. So to finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 there, so 6, 8. 1 here, so 6, 8. Oh, but we have the 6 there. So this is our 8, this is our 1, and this is our 6. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2, a 3, and a 5. We've got the 2 there. So 3, 5. No help here. 2, 3, 5. The 3 there. 2, 5. If we do this column, we're missing 3, 7, 8, 9. We've got a 3 and a 7 there. So 8, 9. We've got 7 and 9 here. So 3, 8. So it looks like that 9 stops our 9 from being there, and that 9 stops it from there. So this is the only place our 9 can be. And that 8 stops it from being in those squares, so our 8 is here. So if we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 4, 9, a 3 here, so 4, 5, 9, and a 9 here, so 3, 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 4 covered here. So 1 and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here. So 2, 4. A 1 here. So 2, 4, 8. And an 8 here, so 1, 2, 4. we look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6, 7, and 9 here. So this is our 5, that makes this our 7. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 9 and our 6. So now the 7 means this is our 3, this is our 5, 3, 8, 1, 7. So we come down here, we can get rid of the 5s in this row, and the 3 in this row, and the 1 in this row. So the 8 can't be here or here, so this has to be our 8. If we work on this box, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row then, we're missing 2 and a 4. We don't have any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, 7. We've got a 6 and a 7 here. So 3 makes this our 7. 6 goes here. That 7 makes this our 3. For this row then, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here. So 1, 7 here, 5, 7. So that 5 means this is our 2, 4, 9. That 2 makes this our 5. That 4 makes this our 2. So then this is our 4, 2, 4, 3. All right, that was today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. Please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel out. Share it with anyone you think might enjoy our content. And I will see you right back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.